In recent years, the issue of asbestos exposure and its related health complications has gained significant attention. Asbestos, a group of naturally occurring minerals, was once widely used in various industries due to its fire-resistant properties. However, prolonged exposure to asbestos fibers can lead to serious health problems, including lung diseases and cancer. As a result, the demand for asbestos lawyers has risen, as individuals seek legal recourse for the harm caused by asbestos exposure. In this article, we will delve into the role of asbestos lawyers, the legal challenges they face, and how they help victims pursue justice. Before delving into the legal aspects, it's crucial to understand what asbestos is and how exposure occurs. Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral that was once commonly used in construction, shipbuilding, and automotive industries due to its insulating properties. Exposure can happen when asbestos-containing materials are disturbed, releasing microscopic fibers into the air. These fibers can be inhaled or ingested, leading to health issues over time. Asbestos lawyers play a critical role in helping individuals who have been adversely affected by asbestos exposure. They provide legal guidance, assess cases, and offer representation to victims seeking compensation. These lawyers specialize in personal injury and wrongful death claims related to asbestos-related illnesses. One of the primary challenges in asbestos-related cases is identifying the sources of exposure. Asbestos exposure could have occurred decades ago, making it difficult to pinpoint the exact source. Skilled asbestos lawyers employ investigative techniques and collaborate with experts to establish a clear link between exposure and the responsible parties. Another challenge is the statute of limitations, which varies from state to state. Victims have a limited window of time to file a lawsuit after discovering their asbestos-related illness. Asbestos lawyers need to be well versed in these limitations and ensure that cases are filed within the appropriate time frame. Asbestos lawyers advocate for victims' rights to seek justice and fair compensation. They work diligently to secure settlements that cover medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages resulting from asbestos-related illnesses. Asbestos cases can take the form of class action lawsuits or individual lawsuits. Class action suits involve a group of plaintiffs with similar claims, while individual lawsuits are filed by single victims. Asbestos lawyers determine the best approach based on the specifics of each case. Asbestos lawyers begin by thoroughly investigating each case. They gather medical records, employment history, and any relevant documentation to build a strong case. A detailed evaluation helps them determine the potential for success and the appropriate legal strategy. Asbestos lawyers often engage in negotiation with the defendant's legal teams to reach a settlement. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, they are prepared to take the case to court. Their expertise in litigation ensures that victims' rights are upheld throughout the legal process. Asbestos lawyers play a crucial role in assisting victims of asbestos-related illnesses to seek justice and compensation. Their expertise in navigating the legal complexities surrounding asbestos exposure is essential for achieving favorable outcomes. If you or a loved one has been affected by asbestos exposure, consulting an experienced asbestos lawyer can make a significant difference in your pursuit of justice. A significant aspect of asbestos-related lawsuits is establishing causation and identifying liable parties. Asbestos exposure can occur in various settings, from workplaces to residential buildings. Asbestos lawyers collaborate with medical experts to link the exposure to the development of illnesses. Moreover, they delve into records and documents to determine which companies or entities were responsible for exposing individuals to asbestos-containing materials to asbestos-containing materials. This intricate process involves sifting through historical records, industry knowledge, and scientific research to build a strong case against the responsible parties. Asbestos-related illnesses not only affect victims physically and emotionally, but also place a significant financial burden on them and their families. Asbestos lawyers understand the far-reaching consequences of these illnesses and work diligently to secure compensation that encompasses various aspects of the victim's life. This can include medical expenses, ongoing treatment costs, loss of income, pain and suffering, and even funeral expenses in cases of wrongful death.